Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will crochet this stitch. After I filmed it, I realized how popular it is, but it is what it is. It's been filmed already. The stitches that we will be using are chains, single crochets, double crochets, 4 together, a group, and that's it. So this is the right side. I usually look at the base row, and when the stitches are facing me with the right side, this is going to be the right side, and this is the wrong side. But if you like more texture, obviously you can use whichever side you want. For the yarn, I am using the Baby Bee Sweet Delight in color Angel. It's a it requires a 4.5 millimeter hook, light number 3. I'm using a 4mm hook because I crochet loosely, plus I like the stitches stacked. So, and this one is in color Celery, same brand, same type. I think you will like the stitches, pretty fun. You can use solid color, you can alternate solid, this color, solid, this color, different color. Like you can alternate colors, you can alternate the stitches inside. Really, you can do whatever you want, however you like it. I hope you will enjoy this stitch. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. The multiples of this stitch is 3, so I have 21 chains here. So the first row will be very easy. You will single crochet into the next stitch from the hook, and you will put 1 single crochet in each chain all the way till the end, like so. 1 single crochet, and this is what we got, our first row. Turn, chain 3 counts as a double crochet, skip 1 into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, or a V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, V-stitch into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and so on until the end of the row. Skip 2, V-stitch into the next. And once you get to the end, you will have 2 stitches left. You will skip the next and a double crochet into the last. This way, everything is perfectly aligned. And now you can either choose to switch colors or to keep working. I would like to switch colors, and for that, I will remove the last step and join. Chain 1 to secure it. If you are making a project, you will want to tie these 2 tails to leave it, make it more secure. So now we'll turn. We chained 1 already, that will count as a chain 1 and add 2 more chains. The chain 3 will count as a double crochet. Chain 1 more, so the total of 4. And now we'll work, the diagram shows double crochet 3 together, or 3 double crochets together, whatever. Yeah, 3 double crochets together into the chain 1 space of the V-stitch. I want to go with 4 because I tried it out and the 3 looks kind of pitiful. 2. You can try 3. It doesn't look full enough for me, so I will undo this and I will add the 4th one, and now it looks fuller. I like it better this way. Chain 2, go into the next chain 1 space and do the same. 4 double crochets together. chain 2 again, and all the way till the end of the row. 4 together. 3 and 4. And this is how it looks like. Okay, and once you've completed all of them, you used all the V-stitches, you will chain 1 and a double crochet into the third chain from the beginning. Like so. And here again, if you are working with solid color, just turn. If you are changing colors, go one step back, and you're going to join with green or with whatever color you're working, and chain 1 to secure it. This is what we have. Turn. Now we will put 1 single crochet in each stitch and chain. So single crochet into the first, into the chain 1 space, into these together, 2 into the chain 2 space, into the group, and same thing all the way until the end of the row. And ending the row, this is my 20th, and the 21st will go into the third chain from the beginning. So make sure the count of these single crochets equals with the base. This way you know your pattern is correct. Turn. And we need a total of 2 rows of single crochets. So we did 1, so chain 1, single crochet into the first, and add 1 single crochet into each stitch. And again, I should end up with 21, and you should end up with the numbers of stitches that you started with, like so. And there we go. This is what we have. And I will turn, and we will start the repeat from the second row. So chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Skip the next, V-stitch into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and from this on, skip 2, V-stitch into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, like so, all the way till the end. And just like we had here we have 1 to skip and double crochet into the last. And that's what we got. So here you can change the colors if you want. Let's try with a solid color. So we are just turning, chain 4, chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 1, and we'll work a group of 4 double crochets. Call it a bubble, call it together, call it a group, whatever you want to call it. There we go. Chain 2 into the next, same thing, 4 together. This is what we have. But I'll go off camera and change the colors. To finish off, we'll only chain 1 and double crochet into the third chain from the beginning, like so. Or change the colors. Colors changed, turn the work and repeat row number 4. So single crochet into the first stitch, you chained 1, so single crochet, 1 single crochet here into the group, 2 into the chain 2 space, into the group, and so on until you reach the end of the row. Easy finish off. To finish off, double crochet into the chain 1 space, and double crochet, single crochet into the space and single crochet into the 3rd chain from the beginning. And this is what we have. Turn, and again chain 1, single crochet into the 1st, into the next, and so on until you reach the end of the row. And this is the sample, like this side and the wrong side. And here I worked in another section of camera, and this is how it looks like, the right side and the wrong side. And if you are going to be changing colors, good luck with the tails. Another option, what you could do is have each section with a different color, not only this one, but a whole section in green, the whole section in white, or whatever colors you choose. That could be another option. I know this particular stitch goes around as like the tulip stitch or a flower stitch, but without changing the colors or having only one stripe, this will have a totally different look. Yeah, but if you do want to add these, this is how it's going to look, and this is the wrong side. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye.